The Cooling Eye Mask and Sleep Mask cover set from the My Novel Things store offers a unique combination of comfort and therapeutic benefits, designed to cater to a variety of users from teens to adults. This product includes two masks, a cold, warm gel eye mask and a plush sleeping mask. Both are intended to provide relief and comfort, whether for sleep, relaxation, or specific eye therapies. One of the standout features of this set is its dual functionality. The gel eye mask can be used either cold or warm. For cold therapy, it is recommended to place the mask in the freezer for about 2 hours, which helps soothe tired eyes, reduce puffiness, and alleviate symptoms from allergies or migraines. For warm therapy, the gel mask can be heated in the microwave for 10 seconds, providing relief for eye strain or post-surgery discomfort. This versatility makes it a practical item for those seeking natural remedies for eye-related issues. The plush sleeping mask complements the gel mask by offering a soft, gentle material that feels luxurious against the skin. Made from plush fabric and cotton, it ensures comfort throughout the night, which is crucial for promoting restful sleep. The design effectively blocks out light, creating a dark environment ideal for sleep during the day or in brightly lit rooms. This feature is especially appreciated by shift workers or anyone sensitive to light while sleeping. Both masks come with adjustable straps that fit various head sizes comfortably. The straps hold the masks securely in place without being too tight, preventing discomfort or marks on the skin. This adjustability broadens the usability of the masks, making them suitable for children, teens, and adults alike. Users have praised the set for its aesthetic appeal, noting the cute unicorn and rainbow-themed design that makes the masks delightful gifts. The quality of materials and construction has been highlighted in multiple reviews, with many users reporting that the masks feel soft and sturdy. The silk lining on the sleeping mask adds an extra touch of elegance and comfort, enhancing the overall experience. Performance-wise, the masks have received positive feedback for their effectiveness. The gel mask provides soothing relief, although some users have noted that the cold effect does not last very long. Despite this, the immediate comfort it offers for headaches or eye strain is well appreciated. The sleeping mask's ability to block out light is consistently mentioned as a major plus, contributing to better sleep quality. The product also stands out as a thoughtful gift option. Many customers have bought it for family members, particularly daughters and grandchildren who enjoy using the masks nightly. The included case adds convenience for storage and travel, making it easy to carry the masks on trips or to spa sessions. In terms of usability, the masks are straightforward to use. The gel mask requires simple preparation freezing or microwaving, depending on the desired therapy. The sleeping mask is ready to wear immediately and fits comfortably without adjustment struggles. This ease of use makes the set accessible to a wide range of users, including children. Overall, the Cooling Eye Mask and Sleep Mask cover set is a well-rounded product that combines functionality, comfort, and appealing design. It addresses common needs such as eye relief, migraine comfort, and improves sleep quality with practical features like adjustable straps and dual therapy options. While the gel mask's cooling duration could be longer, the immediate benefits and overall quality make it a valuable purchase. For those interested in natural, non-invasive methods to soothe tired eyes and enhance sleep, this set offers a compelling solution. It is suitable for personal use or as a gift, especially for individuals who appreciate cute, practical items that support wellness. The product's positive reception and thoughtful design reflect its effectiveness and user-friendly nature. If you have experience with this product, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This Cooling Eye Mask and Sleep Mask cover set is a practical addition to anyone's self-care routine, combining comfort, style, and therapeutic benefits in one package.